Hi, my name's Mark Madlin, and I'm a science curriculum guy for Salem-Keizer Public Schools. Today, I'm going to be doing a paper bag speech. The first thing you're going to need for a paper bag speech is a paper bag. And you're going to be putting 3 things inside that paper bag that represent something important about your topic. My topic for the day is the 1920 school year. Boy, what a year. All right, I've got my 3 items in my bag, and the first one for the 1920 school year is, it's my handy dandy science curriculum book. I was a science teacher for many years at Leslie Middle School, but this year, in the beginning, I got an exciting new job. I now work for the curriculum department, and I help science teachers teach to the standards and help them out with lots of fun projects that they share with you in class. So I have to know the standards really well, and this is a well-loved standards book as evidenced by this coffee stain. This has been a neat transition for me, and I still love the job. As part of my new job, I got a fun opportunity to attend a conference in Milwaukee, Wisconsin with 3 Salem-Keizer teachers, and we learned how to design units about super cows and prairie chickens. So I have a memento to remind me of that experience. Item number 2. Get on out of there. Okay. There we go. So this is not an actual prairie chicken, but I've got this bad girl here to represent. Enough. My third item is going to represent when COVID-19 changed our school year completely. I've been having a good time working from home, and I've got to spend a lot of time with my family and my cats. My third item is getting kind of crazy now, so I'm going to set it down. This is my cat, Scylla, who I've been spending a lot of time with. You can see she's having a lot of fun being part of this show. So anyway, thank you, kitty. Bye-bye. Well, that concludes my paper bag speech about the 2019-2020 school year. And again, what a ride. I hope that you found this video interesting and it helps you make your own paper bag speech. Have a great one. Bye-bye.